How to build wealth from nothing. When we generally dream big. A beach home, a BMW, or a plot of property on the moon. There are so many things in life that we desire to buy or achieve. But then we realize it's impossible to collect such money in our lifetime, and we begin to give up on our dreams. Learning how to create riches from nothing may feel like a mission impossible, especially if you've always assumed that wealthy individuals inherited their fortune or benefited from powerful connections. According to a 2019 WealthX research, 67.7% of the world's ultra-wealthy people, defined as individuals with $30 million or more in assets, are self-made. While it is true that money cannot be generated in a single day, it is not difficult to build wealth over time if one is consistent and disciplined with their investing. In this video, we'll look at 5 practical steps you can do right now to start building wealth and living a more financially secure life. 1. Believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, you'll never get far in life. Money and wealth building will not bring you success. Here are a few ideas to help you believe in your ability to accumulate riches. First and foremost, have a cheerful attitude. Consider the positive aspects of your situation. Don't get too caught up in the negative. When it comes to achieving success and fortune, speak positively to yourself. Also, think big. Do not let your thoughts limit you. Consider how different your life will be if you created a fortune from nothing. Ask yourself these questions. When you will become financially free, who are you going to spend your life with? When can you discover a new source of income? What are your plans for your retirement? This is all part of crafting your boundless riches story. Money affirmations can assist with this. 2. Educate yourself about money. Investing time in your financial education is thus the fundamental step toward creating riches from nothing. Learn the meanings of key phrases such as income, costs, net worth, return on investment, passive income, and financial freedom. Keep in mind that, like any other type of education, financial education must be ongoing. Never stop learning new things. However, a word of caution is necessary here. Because of the democratization of financial data, there is a lot of incorrect data out there. Make sure you only read credible sources of information that will give you accurate data and point you to resources from respectable investors, business people, and financial experts. 3. Don't overspend. The principle of living within one's means is straightforward. If you don't live within your means, you're wasting all of your earnings. You won't have enough money left over to begin saving and investing in such a situation. However, one method to grow rich is to live below your means. Brett Sohns, the co-founder of Life Goal Investments, explained that implies you need more money coming than going out. 4. Make more money. After you've gotten your costs under control and on track, it's time to work on a strategy to generate additional income. When you're attempting to generate wealth with no money, producing extra revenue is crucial. Know how much your skills are worth. Keep up with salary and compensation trends in your field. If you are not being paid at market rates, request a raise from your employer. If the answer is no, inquire as to what steps you must do in order to obtain one. If your present employer will not pay market value, search for a new one who will. Consider earning money from a second source once you have focused on your first job or profession. You can look for a part-time job, create a side business, or undertake freelancing to earn some extra money. We have a video on the 7 best passive income ideas if you want to learn in-depth on these topics. 5. Invest your money. Investing is essential if you want to get wealthy from nothing. Investing will put your money to work for you once you have increased your income and reduced your costs. Compounding interest allows it to grow far faster than merely saving money in a checking account. However, there isn't only one method to invest. Certain speculative assets, particularly gold and cryptocurrencies, have gained traction in recent years. According to Sachin Jehangani, co-founder and CMO of Elevate Money, the first step to growing wealth is to assess your financial goals. Make a long-term strategy and focus on developing a well-balanced portfolio, so all your eggs are not in one basket. You can use these wealth-building tactics mentioned today to start growing your wealth from nothing. Because it's difficult to accumulate wealth quickly, you may as well do so gradually with the help of these wealth-building ideas. Start today. And that's all for today from Wise Touch. Thank you so much for watching.